if you are a freelancer on Fiverr and you have your account for over a while, but you have no order on it, so I want to share something with you right now in this video. 2 days ago, I created a Fiverr profile and I uploaded my gig service. And within 24 hours after the little impression I had, I got click, I got impression, but no message, no order, right? So everything is just silent. Now, I now thought of it like, what if I could make a little changes on this gig and see how far I can do with this? And then I just made one change and boom, my first order came in less than 72 hours of the account, right? So in today's video, I'm going to break everything down to you exactly step by step on how I do this from start to the finish of this gig profile and how I've been able to put myself in the top ranking service in my niche and get this order within 72 hours of this account. As you can see the screenshot right there, so it's a big one and also it's something you can do for yourself, right? So if that being said, guys, let me walk you through every of this process, from everything you are doing wrong, what you need to do, and also how you are going to do it to get this particular results for yourself as well in the online space, right? So let's get started, right? So the very first thing I'm going to talk about is the most mistake people are making on Fiverr that is delaying their Fiverr order, right? Now the very first one in this category is poor profile picture, right? So you are coming over to Fiverr to work, so you are going to present yourself as if you are applying for a job, not you being stylish, or maybe you are coming to do fashion show or anything. So if you can't take a professional looking picture like you, like this, looking straight to the camera, you can easily use logo for yourself and you are good to go. But you taking picture like maybe you are doing like this, you are doing like this, no, that's not going to be a little professional. These people doesn't know you, right? They doesn't know you. They just read through what you put out there that you said you are capable of doing, and that's why they are trusting you. They want to order you. But if you look professional as an office man, looking straight to a camera like this, and you take a short headshot like this for your picture or your profile, you are good to go to make money on Fiverr. You see, that's why they said first impression matters, and if you are giving wrong impression at first sight, you know, that's a little crazy and it might cause anything. And the second thing in this category is your weak gig title. Now, all of you, what I can see basically is most people on Fiverr, they want to rank their gig, so they put keyword into their gig title instead of writing a clear and go target title. All right, so you want to be like you are doing ghostwriting, book writing, ghostwriting. No, you are going to make a clear professional title so they can understand what you want to offer, not for the sake of keyword. You are now making your title unable to read or unable to understand, right? So this always affects your ranking and also affects your Fiverr click and order, right? So you are going to make a professional one. If you don't know how, I'm going to show you how to craft one soon, and we are going to work on it together, right? Now the third one in this category is your wrong category or niche. I understand the fact you are a graphic designer, but can you be a little blunt and niche down to a particular service? Maybe it's for soccer graphic design, or maybe social media or anything. Even on social media, you are still going to niche down to Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So this is going to put you in a niche market, not just the general public market where people struggle to get on the first page. If you stick to a niche, you can go over to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, okay, ChatGPT, give me niches or low niches as low niches under graphic design. You are going to see niches that you can just master and you venture into, and with this you can learn more and do more for yourself on the freelance website. Not just you putting yourself in my graphic design, I can do all of tasks. No, I know you can do everything, but then choose one first. Start with one, blow up with that, then you can expand your gigs around your account, right? So that's how to go. You don't just want to put yourself in the general market without you being of value to a particular service or niche. All right, so the next one is overcrowded keyword. If you are using graphic design, writer, website design, all those keywords are overcrowded. That's why I said you have to go into a niche market. You have to niche down, so you can use something like e-commerce website design, e-commerce web as your search tag and your keywords. So it's just something easy, and it's a little logic that you can master now, and you can see the changes on your account as soon as possible. So you can just venture into this space and learn how to master all of these things with all of this knowledge, and you are good to go to make the money for yourself, right? Now, the next one on this category of most mistake beginners make, and maybe anybody that's struggling to make money, The next one is generic gig description. If you want to write a gig description that you want it to cover, you are going to make it client focused, not you talking about your own expertise, or maybe you are saying I've been in this industry, I've been doing this job, I've helped. No. You are going to make it client focused. You are going to talk to the people. You are going to nail down their problem and how you can solve their problem with your service, instead of you talking about your own expertise and your own experience first. You are going to make everything right from start about their problem, how you can solve it, before you now come to your experience and your own past success story, right? So that's how you are going to craft a good profile that is going to guarantee your order as soon as possible. Now let's dive into the strategy that I use to get this order quickly and how you can copy and paste this for yourself as well. Right now, the first one, like I said, is putting yourself in a niche market, and I said I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. So I'm going to jump on my screen now and I will show you how to do that. So the next thing that I do is optimize gig title and exact keyword, and also the third one is generic gig description. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to break it down to you. I'm going to give you the resources on how you are going to do it for yourself right now in this video. And the fourth and the last one is your clean and catchy gig thumbnail. So you don't just want to go on Google, download something, or you use AI to no, you are going to on Canva, you design it yourself, right? You are going to design it yourself and you make it click through before you upload it on Fiverr. So let me show you on screen how we can do all of these things. So our gig title, our gig description, we are going to use the AI, but I'm going to give you the exact font that you can get access to with the first link in the description below, and you can get to use that for yourself for any of your service. So I'm going to show you right now so you can know how to use it, right? So coming over to my screen right here, what I want to do is to write a gig description and a gig title for a graphic design. But then, you know, I just explained you have to put it into niche markets, right? So let's prompt that. So you are just going to put up this prompt right here. I want to start off on Fiverr and I am a graphic designer. So here you are going to replace this with your own service or your own niche, maybe website design, Wix design, Shopify design. But I don't want to put myself in a competitive market and overcrowded space. So I want you to niche down. Can you give me a list of low competition niches under graphic design? You are going to replace this with your own niche and your own category as well. Under graphic design, like I said, so I can list it out and get and get daily order. So I'm just going to send this right here and you are going to see smart move. You can see here are some invoice and receipt templates. Now label and packaging, children book layouts and formatting, and Instagram highlights and icon, YouTube channel design kit for niche creator. You can see it still say instead of YouTube thumbnail, you can do this for this category, Etsy listing graphics, product mockups. So you have a lot. This is how you get your particular niche and niching down, right? So with this, you are good to make a low lot because you are not targeting the industry. I will be your professional graphic design. I will be your professional graphic designer. Now you are taking it as I will be your professional invoice and receipt template designer. All right, so now let's do something. Let's get our gig title. Right, let me say I choose one. Now write a winning SEO optimized gig title for that as a Fiverr SEO expert that you are. So right now, this is how you are going to do this. So you can see I will design branded invoice and receipt templates in PDF, Word, and Excel. All right, now let's go over to Fiverr. Let's check the possibility of this. Is under graphic design, don't forget. So I'm coming over to fiverr.com right here, and I'm just going to come over right here. I'm just going to copy this. So let's see how many people are rendering this service so we know if you are doing the right thing or not. All right, so I'm just going to search that and let's see how it's good. You can see right here 656 results, and you can see everybody. You can see order, as you can see. So it's going to be very, very easy for you to rank if you are doing something like this. Now I have a gig title that is well SEO optimized for Fiverr ranking. And you can see my competition is just like 656 people. Now it's easy for you to, this is just our gig title. How about we do for gig description and SEO search tag? Let's see how far that can go. Now I'm going to come over right here. All right, okay, you have options right here. So I want you to write the full okay, let me put full gig description. All right, full gig description with related and searchable keywords stuffed, okay, stuffed in it. I want this description to be client focused and catchy, right? All in just 1,200 character. So absolutely, this is what we want and this is what we need, because Fiverr only accepts 1,200 character gig description. And you can see right here, looking for a professional branded. Okay, you can see now, see where see where our expertise just comes in. I have helped coaches. Now you can see we've tackled their problem and who are we targeting and all of these people. So now this is what you are going to use for your gig description, and this works perfectly for every niche service that you want to sell on Fiverr or any other freelance marketplace. Just replace where I'm talking about graphic design, just replace it with your own niche and category. So after these two, you are good to go. The next thing is to just go over to Canva, design a professional gig image. And if you don't know how to design that, I've made a video, as you can see right here, it's showing up right here. And if you don't know how to create a Fiverr account as well, there's this video right here that is showing, and it's going to teach you how to create Fiverr account, and you are going to get approved, right? So everything is just basically easy for you, and I've break this down to help you understand how you can scale up in the online space. So the next thing I want to talk about, after you've crafted out your offer and when you are crafting out your own gig, I want you to be mindful of these things. Don't overpromise, and make sure you are available to respond fast, and make sure you are capable of what you list out, right? So these things also guarantee your fast, quick action, because if you don't overpromise, clients won't see you as you trying to sell and you don't want to solve their problem, or you don't want to add their value, right? So make sure you keep it minimal, and if you follow this exact process I just showed you, it's going to keep your account and your profile minimal, right? If you don't know how to craft your own particular maybe pricing, you can come over right here, because I don't want you to overprice. You are not a pro, you are not a level 2 seller, or maybe you are just starting out with no reviews, so you don't overprice. Now you are going to still tell ChatGPT, I want you to write 3 packages for this gig. All right, so ChatGPT is also going to help you write it. As you can see it right here, it's going to help you write it. You can see 15, 30 to $50. And how about you just do this for a start to get reviews on your account, and after you blow up a little bit, you can just increase your pricing. So that's how it works, right? Now the next thing is what happened after the order. Now you are going to deliver your best service, and you are going to over deliver. You can add a bonus, or maybe you understand the client so much and you know what they need next. You can even pitch a business to them around that, and you can offer them a discount. So you are being over deliver, and you are going to deliver like maybe 2 to 3 hours before the due date, or 24 hours before the delivery time exceeded. So this is going to make you more professional, and it's going to tell Fiverr that you are capable, and also you are very professional in what you do, and you deliver so fast. Now you are going to ask for quick review and an honest review to get more clients for Fiverr and recommendation, right? So this is how you are going to break out your account, and you are going to scale up your business on Fiverr to get Fiverr order, so you can make money for yourself, right? So I want you to go and try out all of these things, or you can just drop a comment in the comment section about the challenges you are facing as a freelancer, and I can get to reply to you. Most especially, you can even join my WhatsApp community with the link in the description below, and there you can drop a message for me, tag me, and I can respond to you so fast than coming over here on YouTube, right? So I want you to subscribe to this channel, and I want you to turn on the bell notification, like this video, share with your friend, and let's do more in the online space. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, make sure you rank your account, do this, and put everything in action so we can get the same result over the time, right? So see you in the next one. Till then, guys, stay at peace.